Hey everybody, I am here today to talk to you about a bike helmet strap that is too long. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to shorten it easily in this simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I am wearing my bike helmet. I'm going to place my camera down, which is my phone that I'm using to film this right now. And essentially, if your helmet strap is too long, you can shorten it really easily. This will be a quick video. It's really easy to do. So there are two places that you can essentially shorten the strap. You have the part over here which receives the buckle, and I wouldn't recommend shortening it there because it's harder to do and it all depends on your helmet setup, but most likely you're going to be able to shorten it over here, which is where the actual buckle is. Okay, so very simply put, what you want to do is you want to make space to shorten it, to shorten the strap. So as you can see right here, the buckle is basically right next to this piece right here, which creates the triangle on the helmet. That piece right there creates this little triangle. Okay, so you want to move this piece up towards the helmet to make some space to shorten the strap. So I'm going to hold the buckle in place. I'm going to move this piece up over here. I've now created some extra space over here. And what I can do now is I can take the buckle and I can move the buckle up to shorten it. So figure out how much you want to shorten it and move the buckle up that amount. So you can see right here, for this buckle, it is threaded so that I can just easily pull on this and it will shorten it. Now, you might have a little rubber elastic band on that. You want to make sure you move that out of the way as well. It'll just make your life a little bit easier. So I'm going to move that out of the way. And essentially, I'm going to take this buckle. I'm going to pull on the end straps over here. And I'm just going to move it up a little bit. So watch as I move it up. You'll be able to see the fabric go through like that. So as you can see, I've now shortened it. I don't know, maybe about an inch and a half, give or take. And it's that simple. Then you can put the helmet on and you can clip it in place. Okay, very easy to do. Now I shortened it a little too much. Well, actually, this is probably okay, to be honest with you. It was probably a touch too loose before. But then you can adjust this as well after, back to your liking. And it's that simple. That is how to shorten a bike helmet strap if it is too long. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.